Alright, so I want to show you another cool utility that you can use to monitor the traffic on the network. Mainly, you want to be able to see what protocols are active on your network. So as you can see here, we have already logged in using FTP, the unsecure, unencrypted protocol. So if we go over here to the right and we type this command, netstat -a, it will show us the amount of traffic, there it is right there, that's on the ports, that's, active connections on those ports. Here's the protocol, TCP, local address, and this last digit here, or these digits here, those are the actual port addresses. And as you can see, the state is listening. And if you go further down, you'll see my IP address, port 139. I don't know what these ports are. I gotta look at it. Sometimes it will tell you what the port is. But the main port that I am concerned with is this guy right here. We know it's a TCP port. Here's my address. And over here, it says FTP. Now, it should say port 21. I don't know why it says 61199. But there you see, we can see that off of the KMT Cloud device, FTP is running. Well, actually, it's in a closed state. I think I might have closed it out. But you can actually see was actively running on the ports on your devices, on the computer, and on the network as well. So this is the machine itself. This is the state, listening, established, closed, and so on. And you probably want to try to run this command at least once or twice a week, depending on how large your network is, or at least have some other utilities that can give you this information. The command, like I said, is just netstat -a, but it's really helpful to determine what's happening on your network. As you look here, you can see the HTTP traffic, the port 80 traffic, and I don't know where those weird numbers are coming from. I gotta kind of look those ports up. You can always look up the port numbers and see what it means. But it might be specific to this particular device. But there you have it. That if you want to just kind of track your network a little more and see what actually is running on your network, you can use this utility. You can use this utility. All right, so we'll continue on with the lesson. Next, I'm going to show you a graphical interface of how the text uh, traffic actually looks in a protocol analyzer. All right, stay tuned.